Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, a big thanks for all the support on my last video. I really appreciate these likes, comments and new subscribes. It means a lot. And as per your request, I have gone ahead and found some amazing free Udemy courses related to Python, data analysis, Excel, PowerPoint and even machine learning. These are all available with the coupon codes for a limited time only. So make sure you enroll fast before they expire. So I'll be sharing the highlights of each course in this video and you will find all the links in the description below. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my daily updates on free Udemy courses. And if you need any specific course, just drop a comment. I'll try my best to find it for you. So the first course is Mastering PyTorch, 100 days, 100 projects. And it is a 5 hours of course where you will understand PyTorch fundamentals including tensor and computational graphs, reprocessing and load dataset with data loaders and custom datasets. And also you will grab the understanding of how the architecture of CNN, RNN and transformers. So it is a wonderful course of free of cost. And you can see the content. So it is a 5 hours of course. So the coupon code for this course is, for the first course, let's take a screenshot of this coupon code. And second course is Learn Machine Learning course with Python A to Z, a beginner-friendly course that takes you through supervised and unsupervised learning, model building, and practice Python application in machine learning. So it is a 2 hours of course, and you'll have all the basic understanding of machine learning from, and coupon code for the second courses. So this is the coupon code for the machine learning course. Just take a screenshot of it and apply this code on the Udemy course. And third course is a complete Python bootcamp from zero to expert. It is perfect if you are starting from scratch. It covers Python basics, advanced concepts, and real-world projects to make you job ready. So it is a total 16 hours of course. So it is a lengthy course where you will have a basic understanding from Python programming till data science. It's like advanced topic. And coupon code for this third course is, and this is the coupon code for the third Python course. You can take a screenshot of it. This coupon expires soon, so grab them while they are free. And fourth course is NumPy Programming Masters. So it is a pandas library. So it is focused on Python's most powerful libraries for numerical computing. You will learn arrays operation, data manipulation, and performance optimization. So it is a 2 hours 30 minutes course. So make use of this course. And this is the coupon code for NumPy programming. Just take a screenshot of this course and take a screenshot of this code or type as it is in the coupon section on the Udemy. And fifth course is Data Analyst. Course is Data Analyst. So professional certificate in data analysis. So it is a 30 hours of course. It covers all data collection, cleaning, visualization, statistic analysis, and privacy essential. So it is a on-demand course. Make use of this course. And coupon code for this fifth course is, you can take a screenshot of this course or type as it is in the coupon section in the Udemy. As you see, it is 4.4 rating. It is an on-demand course. Enroll as soon as possible for this course. And next course is Microsoft Excel Data Analysis. Become a data analyst expert. To unlock Excel's full potential with pivot tables, dashboards, macros, and advanced techniques to turn raw data into insights. So it is a 3.5 hours of course where you will get all the basics from data analysis to advanced pivot table techniques, and coupon code for these courses. So copy this coupon code or take a screenshot of it and apply it on the Udemy coupon section. So next course is Introduction to ML Ops. So you can learn how to take machine learning models from training to production with modern ML Ops practice. So it is a 2 hours of course, and you will also get a certification of completion. And coupon code for this code is 7th coupon code is this. You can take a screenshot of it. So don't miss out. These coupons are free for a limited time with the coupon codes. Check the description, grab the links and start learning today. And next course is a complete guide to NumPy, Pandas, SciPy and Matplotlib and Seaborn. So you have full toolkit for Python data analysis and visualization and overall covering all the essential libraries. So it is a 4.5 hours of course. It is also a demanding course in this. So you'll gain all the concepts from basics to advanced. And coupon code for this courses. 8th course will be the coupon code. Take a screenshot of it. And next course is Git, GitLab, GitHub fundamentals for software developers. So it is a 1 hour of course of total 28 lectures. And you will get a free certification after completing this course. And also you can apply this through LinkedIn. And coupon code for this courses. So 9th course for Git is the coupon code. Take a screenshot of it. And next course is Professional Certificate in SQL and SQL for Data Analysis, where you can build strong SQL skills from query to advanced statistics analysis and perfect for aspirant data analysis. So it is a 2.4 hours of course. I'll have 4 sections, 33 lectures. And coupon code for this courses. And 10th course coupon code is, you can take a screenshot of it and start learning. And next course is a complete Microsoft Excel for data analysis and pivot tables. So where you can master Excel, advanced features like pivot tables, formulas and automation for real business insights. So it is a 2 hours of course. These coupon codes expire soon, so grab them while they are free. And coupon code for this and this is the 11th course coupon code. Take a screenshot of it. And next course is of PowerPoint. So it is a 5.5 hours of course. Where you can transform plain slides into engaging professional presentation with design and storytelling techniques. So it is a 5.5 hours of course. So you'll have all basics from starting till end. And coupon code for this course. And there's the coupon code. Take a screenshot of it. And if you need any specific course, just comment below. I'll try to find it for you in my next video. And The next course is Excel data visualization and dashboard designing. So where I can learn to design interactive dashboards and visual reports that impress stakeholders. It is a 3 hours of course, and coupon code for this course is and 13th course is coupon code. You can take a screenshot of it. So it is an on-demand course. Make useful of this course. Apply this code as soon as possible because it might expire soon. And next course is object-oriented programming, basics to advanced, Java hoops concept. So understand hoops concept, solid principles, and design patterns with practical Java examples. So it is a 15 hours of course. And coupon code for this course, last courses. So this is the coupon code for the last course. Take a screenshot of it. And that's it for today's, guys. I hope you found some amazing courses to boost your skills and take your career to the next level. Remember, this course expires quickly, so grab them while you are still active. If you enjoyed this video and want more updates for free certifications, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you will never miss the last chance.